Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the call maps. First of all, you press on the app, and then after you click on it, it's going to ask you to send notifications on, or if you want to do it, you can. And then after you click on the other things, you're going to see this home page. This home page is like the main page where you can find the content that you want to view. You can find the daily program based on what they prefer.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
So these are the videos that you can watch. Also, you can find the quick, easy methods to beat anxiety, mindful walking, and it gives you like the ideas to do that. And you can find recommended collections, sleep stories, meditation, and music. You can also go to Discover and find things, let's say fun. Let's click fun. And it will show you some fun things that you can watch, and it can also show you the creators that are doing content here, like Tom Middleton, Nick Squares, and other people. You can change the category. You can click on music, and it will show you music that are fun. You can go to the browse meditation by time. Some of the things here are not free, so you gotta be careful on what you're choosing. And after you do it, let's click Minecraft. I don't know why, but I just want to type Minecraft. You can type things. You can find artists, narrators, and more. Also, you can click on your profile to check in mood check-in to track your mood based on the day you have, and you can check in the gratitude. You can find daily calm reflection and sleep and reflection and more. There's some things that are not free, so you gotta be careful. You can unlock Calm Premium for $69 a year. I mean $70 a year, then $5 a month. You can click on here and you can push notifications on. You can change the download. You can download videos, and basically this is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. This is like a quick method. Okay. Also, you can change the scenes. You can change the volume of the scenes. You can press on manually, choose this scene, and it will automatically change it. Yes, this is it. Basically this was it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.